Run for a Girl Child. It's a very important program, and as Jayapradha ji just mentioned, hopefully we will get to 10,000 and if not more also, and we're able to support and build self-confidence in them. With regards to the other programs that Seva Bharathi is taking up and doing, one of them is a nursing assistant program which is running in Boinpalli. And then there is another program where sewing centers are being run in both Hyderabad, Secunderabad and various sewing centers across the state also, where women learn how to sew and they're able to develop their livelihood and be able to create products and sell them. Then we have about 50 women who are part of training for the armed forces, basically paramilitary and CISF to train for that. There are about 50 women who are being trained currently right now, and they will take part in the relevant selection programs. Thank you very much, and hopefully Run for a Girl Child is a awesome run and we all will take part in it and do good. Thank you.